Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video here I am going to showing that how to fix white screen or black screen in your Instagram. And nowadays while we have been using our Instagram, you can see that or most of them are facing that a black screen or a white screen is appearing in our Instagram application. And so today in this video here I am going to showing that how to fix black screen or white screen in your Instagram. And now let's see how to fix it. And the step 1 is you want to just go to your Play Store and check your Instagram is updated or not. And if you can see update option, you need to just update this Instagram from here. And by using this method you can also fix your Instagram's black screen by using this method. And step 2, long press your Instagram and go to your app info. And after that you can see a storage option in your Instagram and just tap the storage option from here. And after that you want to just clear data from your Instagram. And before clearing data of your Instagram you need to just remember your password and username of your Instagram. And after that just tap this clear data option from here. And after that at first you need to just clear CAC from here and just select this OK. And once again clear all data and just select this OK. And by using these two of the steps you can fix your black screen or white screen in your Instagram. And thanks for watching our video.